Hello, hi, John from JBS Visual in Birmingham, the #1 projector service centre in the Midlands, and I've got here another big beastie. This is the Sanyo Pdg Dxt10L, big beastie, dual lamp, okay, dual lamp, dual ballast drives, big stonking power supply section, nice chunky lens, just over 5,000 ampere, nice projector, but a bit of a pain in the neck this one. Okay, this one, right, came to me with errors, or it has come to me with errors, and I'm now going to let you see exactly what happens. So here we go. Power up. Okay, here we go. Powering up. Fans running. Lamp right hand side. Lighting up now. Bingo. Fans still running. Lamp left hand side. And the segmented 4-segment colour wheel was running. Shuts off. Okay, go around the front. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 indicator flash and a static power LED orange. Right, now what do you think about that one? What do you think about that one then? Strange, isn't it? I think it's a strange one. Right, first of all, you might say fans. No, I can tell you now, all the fans and the fan clusters, all the cooling fans work. They operate. You drive them off 12 volts for the drive, and you check the you check the tacho on the scope, yeah, and on the scope you can actually see the peak-to-peak waveforms. So you get the peak-to-peak waveforms. So it's actually draw instead of pulsing. Lamps. Now you might think lamps. No. Lamps do go, and they sometimes do go intermittently, but in this case, no, it's not lamps. Alright, okay, well then you might think lamp ballasts, because that's how lamp ballasts go too, strangely enough. But no, not in this case. So what do we have left? Because you can take these, I've taken these ballast drives out and I've driven them separately, not off this, off another Sanyo unit, a very small projector which you can actually still drive the optos on. You only need the 300 or 400 volts and the turn-ons for the opto couplers to drive the boards. So no, it's not those ballasts. Colour wheel, well no, because if you listen as it drives very carefully, you can hear the colour wheel kick in. Okay, so in fact it's not the colour wheel. Okay, so what's left? Well, what is left? You've got the power supply section. Well no, because the power supplies in this are very reliable. They generally either work or they don't work. They either self-destruct or they just don't work. Right, so say to yourself, well, what comes on at the same time? You've got the lamps that strike, you've got the fans that come on first of all, yeah, to start the cooling. You've got right, okay, it's fired up the fans. Well, let's start the lights, please. So on come the lamps. And then all of a sudden it says, right, run the run the colour wheel, and let's run the, what do we run then? It's alright having all those, but you need the processing. So you need the digital processing, you need the imaging. Look at this, watch this. See if I can get it to do it. Okay, let's power up and watch this. Watch the DMD chip. Okay, watch this chip in the middle. Watch it. See the light's lit. I don't know if you can get. You're not going to get to see it, but because the intense light. But this, see the light. See the corruption on the DMD chip. Did you actually see it? Let's see if I can get it to do it again. Watch the corruption on the DMD chip. Right, find it up again. You can see, if you look very closely, there's corruption on DMD chip. See the line through? You see it? The DMD chip is faulty. Now you can check that by doing this. Okay. Pardon me. Okay. I've already disconnected the input board, but watch. I'm going to disconnect the motherboard from the DMD. Okay, so the DMD receives all the relevant information, because remember, it's a digital mirrored device. It takes all the references, whether it be component, whether it be full digital, whether it go through analog conversion through the processor. Everything is thrown through the chip processor. It has the relevant voltages to fire up the chip, but the chip does all the hard work. Now, I've never had total collapse on a DMD, but I have here. First one I've seen, and it's not very often it happens, but indeed, as you'll see now. Right, here we go. Disconnected the board. Okay, so the board's floating. There's no DMD being powered up. Right, here's apps running. Lamp's starting to run. Fans running. If it was fans, it would have been cut off by now. The other lamp. There you go. That noise is the audio. The audio stage is working. The lamps are driving. There you go. The only thing that's not on, the only thing that's not processing, is the imaging device. So there you go. That's the answer. As I said, there's the fans running. Everything is honky-dory. So there you go. Yeah? So now you know that it is the processing chip, because everything works. It's a shame, because it's probably going to be scrap. Alright, I've just powered it down myself. So there you go. So that's really unfortunate, but it is the digital mirrored device. Any questions? Just ask. JBS Visual in Birmingham repairs Optomas, Sanyos, Viviteks, Sonys, NECs, various makes and models of projectors. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.